This AIN video is brought to you by Corporate Angel Network.
So today I had the opportunity to fly in this Falcon 8X to Vatry Airport in Chalon, France. I got to fly one go-around and then one normal landing and one short field landing with Dassault test pilot Fabrice Dugnac in the right seat. This is the third time I've flown the Falcon 8X, and it's one of my favorite airplanes. I really like the fly-by-wire flight control system. For the final landing, we plan to do a full-stop short field landing with maximum braking. I practiced this 2 days before in the Falcon 8X simulator at the Falcon Flight Safety Learning Center in Le Bourget. I've done it about 5 times, so I felt pretty comfortable doing it in the real airplane.
10, 5.
Nose down. Okay. Thrust reverse and brakes. And pulling back.
There is nothing, there is no magic button. It's normal approach, normal landing, full brakes, and you see at landing we will be stopped before the end of the runway for sure and able to vacate at the taxiway. So it's totally normal, no training special. We land as every landing.
The Falcon 8X is very comfortable inside. The cabin is extremely quiet. One of its most impressive attributes is the 6,450 nautical mile range. That's Paris to Los Angeles, Moscow to Los Angeles. But what's interesting also is while it's large inside, the airplane has a fairly small footprint. So finding a hangar for it is a little bit easier than a larger airplane.
Ça sera un niveau 88.0. Ouais, à la selle. Je te mets en body link peut-être.
Falcon 8 X-ray leaving Foxtrot 1.
Rotate.
We're on final approach to Les Aplats Airport in Switzerland. The runway is only 3,576 feet long, so this is going to be a short field landing with maximum braking. They're both highly experienced at flying fly-by-wire Falcons. They've both flown all the Falcon models as well as Dassault's fighter, the Rafale, which uses the exact same fly-by-wire system as the Falcon 8X and 7X. We're probably about 700 feet above the ground now, getting close to landing, and VREF is probably around 113 knots, which is pretty slow for such a large airplane.
Approaching minimums. 20, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Good. The brakes too.
And we're stopped. Let's see, try and figure out how much runway we used. Okay. We didn't even use 2/3 of this 3,576 foot runway. Very remarkable performance in the Falcon 8X.
If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit AINonline.com and check out our e-newsletters for all the latest on the aviation industry.